Hello, my fabulous first grade learners. Today we're on lesson 5. We're going to do some more spelling, word chain writing, and some reading. And we'll talk about another little bit of our reading strategy. Okay? Are you ready? Today you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So give me a pause until you have those supplies that you will need. Ready? Go get those things. Okay. All right, are you ready to do some learning today? I hope you are. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sound out the word and then we'll write it. Okay, the first word we're going to write is the word wish. Wish. Sound wish for me. Did you say w-ish? What's that first sound? W. Right? W. What's the next sound you hear? I, like in the chair. I. Let's see what that last sound is. Sh. Now we know that it takes 2 letters to make the sh sound. What are those 2 letters? S, H. H is nice and tall. All right, that's the word. What's that word? Let's sound it out. Ready? Go. W-ish. Read. Wish. Great. Let's change wish to fish. Sound fish for me. Did you say ish? Do you see where we're going to change? I see too. Okay, what's the first sound? All right, we're going to do a lowercase f. We start at the top. Hook up and down, cross. What's the next sound you hear? I. It's the same as the I up there. Ready? I. Last sound? Sh. You're right. Sh. So what word is this? Fish. Mine's like going down the hill. That's okay. So let's read our 2 words that we have so far. Ready? Go. Sound it for me. Sound w-ish. Read wish. Sound this ish. Read fish. Let's change fish to fit. Fit. Sound fit. How many sounds does that have? 3. You're right. Do you see where fish changes to fit? Yeah, I see where it's going to change. It's going to change here at the end. But let's sound out each part. Ready? Sound and write. First sound. Fit. Next sound. I. Last sound. T. That's where it changes. Let's write the t sound. It. Now, let's change fit to pit. Pit. They fell in a pit. Sound pit for me. Did you say it? Do you see where it changes? I do too, right here. So let's say that sound together. P. Down and around. What's the next sound you hear in pit? Oh, it's the same as fit. How about the last sound? Oh, it's the same too. Okay, here's the word pit. Now I'm going to try to trick you. You ready? Let's change pit to spit. Spit. How many sounds does that have? Let's check it. Spit. It. Oh, it has 4 instead of 3. Now is what is the first sound you hear now? Spit. Oh, you hear s. It's very fast. You have to listen very carefully. Spit. S. P. I. Oh, sorry. I. T. Spit. All right. Here's your challenge one. I know you can do it. We're going to change spit to split. Say split. Like I split the cupcake into two. Split. Think about what your mouth is doing. What do you feel your tongue doing? What sounds do you feel it making? Split. Split. There's one that comes in very quickly and you have to catch it. Split. Ooh, I hear it. Ooh, don't let that get by. It's pretty fast. So let's do those sounds. Split. What do you hear first? S. What do you hear next? Sp. What do you hear next? Spl. L. Spl. I. Split. T. Split. Split. All right, let's read all those words. We did a lot of writing. Ready? Read. Wish. Read. Fish. Good job. Read. Fit. Keep going. Read. Pit. Let's sound this one out. Ready? Sound. It. Oh, Miss Mertz, read what you see. Do that again with me. Oh. Sound. It. Spit. It's getting ahead of myself. I wasn't really looking at what I was reading. So silly. All right, I'm going to look at what I'm reading here. Here we go. Sound. It. Split. All right, I have to erase because I'm running out of room. All right, then this next part we're going to go a little faster. Oh, and as I forgot to say, if I'm going too fast or you need me to stop while you're writing a letter, because I know for some of us writing the letters are kind of tricky, just pause me, and then when you're ready, unpause me. That's so nice that you can do that. You can make me stop like you're the boss of me. All right, here's the next word we're going to write. It's the word shut, like shut the door. Shut. Let's do the sounds we hear in shut. Sh. How many sounds was that? It was 3. What's the first sound? Shh. What do you know about the sound shh? Yes, it's made out of 2 letters. Shh. S-H. Shh. Under the chair. Good job. Shut. Shut. All right, now the next one. Let's change shut to shot. I had to get a shot at the doctor's office. Shot. Where do you see the difference between shut and shot? Let's do the sounds. Sh. Ot. Oh, this sound is different right here. Okay, but let's do the sounds for shot. Ready, go. Sh. S-H. Sh. Ot. Ah. Sh. Ot. Shot. All right. Change shot to hot. You can do that? Do that fast. Okay. Hot. Oh, did you do this? H-O-T. Hot. Fabulous. Okay, change hot to hit. Go. Change hot to hit. Okay, did you get this? H-I-T, I bet you did. Now change hit to hip. Hip. Stretch it out and write it. Go. Hip. 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 Did you get that? Hip. Let's read our words. Ready? Shut. Shot. Read. Hot. Read. Hit. Read. Hip. Fabulous. Thanks for writing with me today. Oh wait, don't go anywhere. So I know yesterday on my video, I talked about how we want to be engaged readers. Engagement is just a really big word of doing your job during reading time. And remember in class how the teacher would make a thermometer and we would see like how far our stamina was. So engagement is part of stamina. So here's my little picture of me reading my book. And if I'm going to be an engaged reader, yesterday we talked about how I'm going to keep my attention in the book. Now today I added one more that I'm going to do. I'm going to picture it in my mind. Reading is for making meaning and understanding. So sometimes, well, really all the time, we should be making a picture. It's called a mental imagery in our brain so that it can help us think of what's happening in this story. And what's kind of fun is your picture might look a little different than my picture in my brain, but we're going to use the details that the author tells us or the pictures we see to get a mental movie in our brain. All right, so choose engagement this week. Tomorrow we'll have another idea we can think about for choosing engagement. All right, if you want to take a picture of your writing and send it to me, that would be awesome. I would love to see it. All right. So, it's hat day. Did you know it's hat day today? So get a hat or a headband. Some of my first graders that were at the Zoom Friday, they helped our whole school pick the spirit days this week. They picked headband or hat day. So get your hat on, get your thinking cap on, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye. Thanks, readers.